Hi, my name is Sawyer Rosenstein. I live in Ramsey, New Jersey, but I work at the Lower Hudson Valley Challenger Center in Airmont, New York. Well, I got started with Challenger because, unfortunately, when I was in middle school a bunch of years back, I was assaulted and paralyzed from the waist down, and I couldn't go back to my old summer camp. So we were trying to figure out somewhere that I could go, and then we remembered about the Challenger Centers, and the one that was closest to me was the Lower Hudson Valley Challenger Center. So we went, even though I was already 13, right on the border of the age limit, I still went and had the greatest time, and I was just saying to myself, what can I do to keep doing this? How can I get involved more? And so that's when I decided to volunteer at the center. And after enough volunteer hours, when I finally turned 14, the legal working age in the state of New York, I threw a Mission to Mars party for my high school friends, and officially that counted me on the payroll, and I've been there ever since, and it's one of the greatest things.
What do you think the benefits are to kids from going to a Challenger experience?
When they go to the Challenger Center, I think they benefit because they're definitely working on teamwork and team skills and working together and doing quick troubleshooting, which it's not only just important in the missions, but troubleshooting is important in any job that you have in real life. Plus, the best part about it is they're learning and they don't even know it.
What is it about a Challenger experience that inspires students to think about science and technology?
What I think inspires them is because they don't look at it as, oh, I'm going to science class, I gotta, learn and take notes and take a test and quiz. With this, it's just they go in there, they've got their mindset to have fun, to complete the mission, and they will do the science that it takes to do that mission. And then once they finish, they'll realize, hey, that was really cool. What if I did that in real life? And that's when they'll start to maybe get involved in science and math and hopefully pursue a career in that field.
What are the values, or some of the values that are best exemplified during a Challenger mission?
Some of the values, like before I was saying, definitely teamwork and definitely critical thinking, thinking on the fly as well, and trying to come up with a fix for a problem. And one of the biggest things that people don't even realize is just attention. You've got your attention on this one task that you must complete. And most kids will stick to that task, or if nothing else, they'll be helping a friend complete theirs. So they're sticking with that one task of nothing else except completing the mission. It definitely changes your life because it's a different experience from what you would think. They realize the science behind it and the fun behind it, but they also realize the reason of why it's there for the Challenger crew of STS-51L. And because of that, you think about it and it's like, wow, I'm continuing their mission.
That's great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure meeting you, Sawyer,
No
really.
problem.